In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Krita language in just a few simple steps. This is super helpful if you want to use Krita in your preferred language, or if the interface opened in a language you're not comfortable with. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to restart Krita, so the new language takes effect properly. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Krita on your computer. Once the program is running, look at the top menu bar. You'll see different options across the top, and the one you need for this step is Settings. Click on Settings to open the drop-down menu. From the drop-down, look for the option that says Switch Application Language. In some versions, it may appear with ellipses at the end, like Switch Application Language, so don't worry if it looks slightly different. Click that option and a new pop-up window will appear. Inside this window, you'll see an option labeled Primary Language. This is the setting that controls the main language used by Krita's interface. Click on Primary Language to open the language list. You should now see a selection of available languages displayed on your screen. Now take your time and scroll through the list until you find the language you want to use. Whether you want English, Spanish, French, German, or another supported language, select it from the list. Once you've made your choice, make sure it is highlighted or selected properly. After that, click OK to save the changes. This step is important because it confirms your new language setting inside Krita. Once you click OK, the change is saved, but it usually won't appear right away until you restart the application. So now, close Krita completely, then open it again. When Krita launches, it should load in the language you selected. If you don't see the new language immediately, just make sure the program was fully restarted and not just minimized or left open in the background. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language in Krita. It only takes a few clicks, and once you know where the setting is, you can switch it anytime you want. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.